Hello, and welcome to PhilSocial. In this short guide, we'll show you how to connect your Google Authenticator app to your PhilSocial account and securing your wallet. Step 1. Download the app first. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Google Authenticator app. Once installed, open the app to get started. Step 2. Set up Google Authenticator. Tap Get Started, then select Enter a setup key. Now, switch over to your PhilSocial app. You'll see a pop-up with your secret key. Copy this key, return to Google Authenticator, and paste it in. Make sure to select Time-Based as your key type. Step 3. Use the Authenticator code. Once added, Google Authenticator will generate a unique 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. This is your verification code. Step 4. Connect to PhilSocial. Go back to PhilSocial, enter the 6-digit code, and tap Verify My Identity. Your account is now linked and secured. Congratulations! You've successfully secured your PhilSocial account. And don't forget, by completing this step, you can claim your 5 free PhilCoin as part of your wallet setup. Safe, simple, and rewarding.